Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix Instagram error where sorry but something went wrong iPhone. To know how to fix Instagram error where sorry but something went wrong iPhone, you should just go to settings like this. You will click. After that, in this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. When you will see this list, you will go down to find application of Instagram. When you will see this page, you will go down to click force stop. When you will end this, you will enter to storage. After that, in this page you will click clear cache. Then you will click clear data. And when you will end this, you can update your application. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.